Hello and welcome back to my channel Get Coded, and today is class 3 on HTML. In last class we discussed about the headings and about the image tag. So in today's class we would be discussing something new, and that would be about paragraphs, breaks, horizontal rules, preformatted text and about comments. So when we speak about comments, I guess you would be already familiar about how to declare a comment, and you can write whatever you want inside the comment. So for the time being we would be focusing upon the paragraph tag. So I have written a comment, paragraph tag. So to declare a paragraph you need to write this tag P and P close. Since it's a container tag, it has a starting and it has an ending. So we will write some content inside this paragraph. Okay. So here is the content and this is a paragraph. Let's just save it. And when we try to run this, you can see that the paragraph which I had written has come on a single line. Okay, you can see how I had written, like after geek I had written my next statement on the new line, but here it has come on a single line. To avoid this, you want from food stalls to come on a new line, right? So here we are going to introduce another tag called as the break tag. It is a standalone tag and it adds a line break. So one line break it adds. Okay, so you can write it anywhere you want. Between the statements is also fine. It would work the same. Okay, so now if I save it and I refresh it, you can see that after every point wherever I had written break, the next statement after the break has come on a new line. Even if it was between the two statements, that is the sunburn has it all and free participation for debate, quiz and code wars, I had written break statement here, like between the two statements. So the break statement has taken the next statement on a new line. So this was about the paragraph and the break tag. So now let's focus on another type. It's called as a horizontal rule tag. Okay, so it is declared with the HR and it will add a break between your paragraphs. Okay, so let's say we have added one paragraph here, let it be the same, then another HR tag and one more paragraph. So you can see that the HR is between the two paragraphs. I have included this HR between the two paragraphs. So when I save and refresh the page, you can see that there is a separate section created for each of my paragraphs. So between two paragraphs there is one separation which separates the paragraph 1 from the paragraph 2. Okay, and now let's move on to the last part of our today's class, that is the pre-formatted text. So this tag is written as pre and close. So this is a container tag. So whatever you write inside this tag, let's say this, I'll just remove it. If this is my statement, so if you remember, like without BR, the statements were coming on a single line, but if we are using this pre-formatted text tag, like the same thing would appear on the screen. Okay, there is no need to add a break here, and if you have added so much space here, it will preserve the same space. It will preserve whatever you have written, like however form you have written, it would display the same thing on the screen. So I am saving it and now I am showing it by refreshing. So there you go. like there was no need of adding the breaks everywhere. And you can see it has come in the default width and fixed width and default font. This font is a Courier font. Okay, so that was it for today's class. If you liked it, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press that bell icon so you don't miss any regular updates about my channel. Thanks a lot for watching.